In this video, I'll show you how to install the Elite strap on your MetaQuest 3S. So let's get started. First, obviously, is to remove the one that is already installed on the unit. How do you do this? Well, quite easy actually. Okay, you're gonna put it in this position, take your thumb and you're gonna stick it on this side over here. You see there is a line and these are two different parts. So you're gonna put your thumb here and you're gonna snap it out simply by doing a small wrist movement like this. Don't worry, you won't break anything. There's no tabs, there's nothing here. Do the same exact motion on the other side. So I'll put my thumb here and unclip it. Now it's time to unclip the top part. This is a bit more difficult, but not a problem. Here we go. I'll remove the Velcro. And now most people will simply pull on it and it will jam over here. What you need to do actually is to pull on it, but at the same time with another finger, try to keep this other part that sticks out in vertical mode, like this, you see? Okay. And now pull, and here we go. We got it out. To put this Elite strap, it's the same thing, honestly, but in reverse. So we're gonna start with the sides. To clip the sides, first we have to put this part first, okay, the part where you put your thumb previously. And once this is clipped over here, whoops, you're gonna press right there with your thumb, or here we go, until it clicks. And now it's in place. Same thing on the other side. Insert this part first, like this, and then clip it. Here we go. You should really hear a click. For the top strap, you just need to guide it through this small loop here in vertical, like that. It's a bit hard. Let me just put it down on the table. So just like that, and I'm trying to push, and you see it's finally sticking out here, and I just have to pull it out. Most people, let me just redo it, most people will have trouble at this step. Most people will have problems putting it in and having the small loop going out here. You absolutely need to put it in vertical like this and pushing it down. Now you just have to put the Velcro here, and this is about it. You're gonna put it on your head, adjust obviously the Velcro first, and then at the end you have this small circle on the back where you can adjust. If you turn it clockwise, it will make everything tight. If you want to untight it, turn it counterclockwise. So yeah, you'll have to test it out. Obviously this will be a lot more comfortable to wear compared to the original strap. Thanks for watching. If you want to get one of these on Amazon, one of these Elite strap, check my Amazon affiliate links down below. If you want to get a Quest 3 or even a rebate on some games, check my Quest link down below. This way you're gonna save some money, and I also get some credits, store credits, to buy some games for my Quest. So thanks for watching, leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.